2018 Winter Olympic Games. Curling. Be prepared for the unusual game of curling at the Winter Olympics. A shooter slides a stone over the ice, and two team players quickly sweep the ice in front of the sliding stone with brooms as they guide the stone to its goal. This sport, similar to shuffleboard, was invented about 500 years ago in Scotland. The large, circular curling stone is made of polished granite and weighs between 19 kilograms or 41 pounds. A handle is firmly bolted to it so the stone can be easily held and sent sliding over the ice. All the stones on a team have the same color handle to set them apart from the other team's stones. Men played curling at the first Winter Olympic Games in 1924 in Chamonix, France. The sport didn't return until the 1998 Winter Games in Nagano, Japan. Then it became an official Olympic sport, played by both men and women. 10 teams compete in a curling tournament. 2 teams of 4 players each play a game made up of 10 ends, which are similar to innings in baseball. Each team tries to earn the most points by sliding the stones into a bullseye called a house, which has 4 circles. The center circle is the tee and is worth the most points. Each player gets 2 turns as a shooter, so 16 throws make up 1 end. After all 10 ends are played, the team with the greatest combined total wins. In the game of curling, the word curl refers to the curve the stone makes as it slides over the ice. The shooter lets go of the stone with a twist of the wrist. Depending on how this is done, the stone can make an in-turn, clockwise, or an out-turn, counterclockwise. Unlike smooth figure skating ice, curling ice is bumpy, so the stones curl as they travel over it. As the shooter sends a heavy stone over the ice, 2 teammates sweep the ice with brooms. Sweeping can melt the ice slightly or get rid of debris. By doing this, sweepers speed up or change the direction of the stone. The 4th player has the role of skip and shouts instructions to the sweeper. Their goal may be to bump an opponent's stone, block an area, or land the stone somewhere inside the house. There are many complex strategies involved in curling. Some players think of it as a chess game on ice.